this is my bag. It's Givenchy. I got it because it's black. Hindi siya madaling madumihan. And it's a classic. And it's not that pricey. Not so much. I have, of course, my phone. And my pouch. Actually, yun lang naman. May pouch ako. Yun naman ng pouch. And I also have my perfume. Which is Incanto. And my mint. I always have mint with me. And okay, ito talaga yung bag. It's not this one, it's this. I have my compact powder. Okay. I have my NARS, my favorite blush, na may shimmer. It's called Orgasm. And this brow from Bobbi Brown. Sorry, makeup kit na talaga to. Natural brow shaper. Yan ang importante. And of course, my lipstick from NARS. I always bring with me a dark colored lipstick kasi I don't like putting on so much makeup. So when I have like parang an event to go to, I just put on something dark like this. And I have this for the eyes. Ito yung maanghang sa mata na eye drops kasi since I cry a lot for the scenes, not in real life. Okay, interesting. We can cover that. And also have my cheek tint. And then my mascara, eyelash curler. I also have a band-aid with me all the time kasi alam mo yung girls pag naka-heels, masakit yung paa. And this one is the most interesting thing. I have this nose clip thing that you put here. So, to explain ko ano to, kami ni Heart, we have this because pagka umiiyak kami sa eksena, ang unang nangyayari pagka umiiyak ka is namamagay yung ilong mo. So, to get ready for the next scene, this will help. So, girls, pag may date kayo mamaya, tapos kailangan nyo batakan si Ella, ito lang. I bought this in Japan pero you can find this somewhere else. So, ito yung pinaka-interesting thing na gamit na meron ako dito sa bag ko. It's the news. After crying, it will solve everything.